Bate CTV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakirdobying Jompi.
National President Jongka National People's Party Ukandot Kongkal Sangma hakasngit ho dieng ka arpinyo trek jembang arajar arpuar ulaong baka Jingkynnoh Jongka Seng Congress hak baydei baka Jingkynnoh Jongka National People's Party yaka office trekam Jongka Party ha Bivar Road Polo kalong tang ki Jingkynnoh Lamler sudah namar baka NPP gala dapio Jingpet bat kiwe de Jingkynnoh kam nak bentaban snai kini ka office trekam Jongka Party hak jinga keren bakilap thai kubor konrad laong ki Jingkynnoh kilong ki bom danong rem bat ki deiru tang ki jing persang jong keseng kongres ban pin ki wen ya kum kini ki kam ki bom dan jingmot ru em.
But the bottom line of the entire thing is that these are all false allegations and all the necessary permissions have been obtained and all the necessary provisions were complied with. So therefore these allegations are completely baseless, and also another effort by the opposition to try and just create issues when there are none issues like that. I don't have all the details with me, and as I said, the youth has already clarified, and if anything more needs to be done, the youth will clarify. But we had received the provisional building permission sanction, which permits us to start construction on the 22nd of December 2020.